All right, we are going to talk about the relationship between grams, milligrams, and micrograms. And if you notice, grams, the abbreviation is a G, milligrams is mg, and micrograms is mcg. So let's talk about grams to milligrams first. 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams. Okay, now if we want to say look at 0.1 grams, so if I'm taking that decimal point and moving it over 1 on the grams, then I need to move it over 1 space on the milligrams. So you see 0.1 gram equals 100 milligrams, 0.01 grams equals 10 milligrams, and 0.001 grams equals 1 milligram. Okay. The other way you can do it is you can multiply the number of grams times 1,000. Let's work out a problem. A client is ordered 2.5 grams of neomycin sulfate. 500 milligram tablets are available. And how many tablets will you give? Well, what's the first thing we need to do? We need to know we need to convert grams to milligrams. So we need to know how many milligrams equals 2.5 grams. So we know that 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams. So we can set up a ratio. 1 gram to 1,000 milligrams equals 2.5 grams to X. 2.5 grams equals 2,500 milligrams. Again, the other way you can do that is multiply the number of grams times the milligrams. So 2.5 times 1,000. So we know we have 500 milligram tablets and we need 2,500 milligrams of neomycin sulfate. So you can just divide 2,500 by 500 equals 5 tablets, or put it into the ratio. 500 milligrams per tablet equals 2,500 milligrams over X. X equals 5 tablets. Now we're going to look at milligrams to micrograms. So 1 milligram equals 1,000 micrograms. And we're going to do the same thing. So if I want to know how many micrograms are in 0.1 milligram, I'm going to take that decimal point here and move it over 1. So I need to take the decimal point here and move it over 1. 0.1 milligrams equals 100 micrograms. 0.01 milligrams equals 10 micrograms. And 0.001 milligrams equals 1 microgram. Here's the second problem. The doctor orders 62.5 micrograms of benztropine mesylate. 0.25 milligram tablets are available. How many tablets will you give? Well, what's the first thing we need to do? We need to convert milligrams to micrograms. Remember that 1 milligram equals 1,000 micrograms. 0.25 milligrams equals 250 micrograms, and I just multiplied 0.25 times 1,000. And I did a ratio. It's 250 micrograms for every 1 tablet, and that equals 62.5 micrograms over X. So you're going to give them 0.25 of a tablet, or a quarter of a tablet. That's it.